scientists! Today we're going to be making Play-Doh. Play-Doh is really easy to make and is a really fun example of chemistry in action. Its main ingredient is flour, or any kind of starch like cornstarch. Flour and starch are made of long chains of molecules called starch polymers, and when you mix these with water and heat them up, they will get tangled together and trap water inside, forming a soft elastic gel. This process is called gelatinization, and it's what gives Play-Doh its squishy moldable texture. We also add salt because it helps preserve the dough by drawing water away from any microbes that might get in there, and it also strengthens the starch network. Another key ingredient is cream of tartar. If you're using wheat flour, the cream of tartar is an acidic substance that will break down the gluten proteins and helps make the dough stretchier. But even if you're just using cornstarch, cream of tartar still helps improve the elasticity and make it silky and smooth. Oil is also really important because it coats the starch chains and keeps the dough from drying out. It makes it smoother and easier to knead. But most importantly, you need heat. It's really difficult to make Play-Doh without heat because that is what drives the gelatinization process. All these chemicals work together to make a material that's solid and soft with just the right balance of moisture and structure to help hold its shape while still being flexible and fun to play with. We have a recipe for this on our website, and we hope you get to try it at home. Until next time, keep discovering.